Hey, what up my cruisers? Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of the Softroad Nation Payson AZ meet. In this episode, we'll be taking a peek at Bear Canyon Lake. It has a lot of areas you can camp at. From looking at the screen, there's various campgrounds, Verde Glen, Christopher Creek, and so on. The Mogollon Rim is another popular destination, which you can see on the screen right here. And Bear Canyon Lake is rated a 4.8 out of 5 on Google reviews and is 60 acres. Surface elevation is 7,560 feet and is maintained by the USDA. USDA, despite being several miles down a dirt road and having few amenities, the lake draws many visitors. At a glance, the reservations is a first come first serve. There is no fee to camp. The usage is medium to heavy. Best time to come here is in the fall. The busiest season to come here is in the summertime. Also, if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Right now we're heading to the lake area. This is a little dirt road. You can come here with pretty much any vehicle. Be off-road. You don't even need all-wheel drive to get up here and see people camping over here. So, my first time here, so we'll find out how it is. All right. theAZcruiser, I'll let you know. So after all that driving and mudding, we got a little hungry, so when we got to Bear Canyon Lake, we just set up a little camp area. Some people did up here, cooked a little carne asada, had some tortillas, you know, everybody just relaxing, enjoying the scenery, sights, and then we went down to the lake. Check it out, you'll see in a bit. Got a little drone shot. Stay tuned, I got another drone coming up, so it's a pretty short hike, 0.2 miles to get down to the lake.
So the parking lot's right there. He's gonna come down that way.
So yeah,
0.2 miles?
Yeah, 0.2 miles. And another thing, the pathway is kind of steep, So if you're gonna bring like a cooler, or you want to bring some chairs or a hammock or something like that, or even a kayak, you want to go canoeing in the lake or go fishing, I recommend you bring a backpack or something, or have somebody help you, because you just watch your step, some slippery sections of the pathway. And yeah, I was gonna bring my cooler, so I'll probably put up right here, but it was kind of heavy because I had a lot of drinks in there and ice and stuff, so I decided just to leave it and bring my hiking bag with me. And yeah, somebody just left a Coke can right there, so just make sure you clean up after yourselves. Don't leave trash around, guys. Everybody wants to enjoy the park and the lake, so leave it the way you found it. That's what I like. That's what I say. So yeah, you'll see how path is going down the lake, and there you get a glimpse of the lake right there. So yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the video. Probably put some pictures up right now. Yeah, this is another great thing about Arizona too. Most people, when they think of Arizona, they think of cactus and desert. But you know, if you just go an hour and a half to 2 hours north to places like Payson, Flagstaff, Sedona, you know, so on, you get these trees, you get cooler weather, and there's so many outdoor activities you can do that you normally can't or wouldn't want to do in the summertime in Phoenix just because of the heat. So here's a perfect example. Up in Payson, Bear Canyon Lake. Go check it out. Hope this video helps. If you're probably wondering, Bear Canyon Lake is an hour from Payson. Also, Arizona fishing regulations apply. If you're not sure, please check with the Arizona Game and Fishing Department for further details. Also, boat motors are restricted to electric motors only. So if you plan to bring your boat, make sure it's electric. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. We're going to keep the adventures coming. Alright, theAZcruiser out.